Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share a topic practicing self care. Staying healthy in mind and body is essential, especially in this current state of world. Taking good care of ourselves can help us to move from simply getting through to thriving and growing during these unusual times. What is self care? Self care is any activity we actively choose to do to take care of our physical, mental, and emotional well being. Why do we need to practice self care? Our well being is important no matter the circumstances or state of the world. Self care helps us to manage stress better and allows us to be more productive. Taking care of ourselves helps us to keep a good work life balance. Areas of self care: mental, tending to our mind by practicing mindfulness and learning continuously. Social, staying connected with family and friends. Physical, tending to your physical body by keeping it healthy. Emotional, staying in touch or fully engaged with your emotions. Number 1. Mental self care. Taking care of your mind. Set a routine. Schedule time for online classes as well as time for reviewing lessons and doing homework. Take break during the day. Take the time to go offline and do other things not related to classes. Practice mindfulness and take time for mentally relaxing activities as well as activities that stimulate your creativity. Self care is also means being patient with and kind to yourself. Self care is something we enjoy doing and not something we feel forced to do. Self care practices can look different for everyone. For some, it can mean staying still, while for others, it can mean being active. The main idea is to engage in an activity that recharges or energizes you. Number 2. Emotional self care. Acknowledge your feelings and know that they are valid. Write them down in a journal or share them with someone. Practice gratitude. Think of at least 3 things you are thankful for every day. Third, physical self-care. Get enough sleep. Keep a bedtime schedule to give your body the rest it needs to recover. Eat well and eat healthy. Nourishing your body with healthy food and keep yourself hydrated. Exercise regularly. Set aside at least 30 minutes in a day to work out or to simply move your body. Number 4. Social self-care. Maintain connections with other people. Reach out to someone every day. Call or message a family members or friends just to check in. You can also think of self-care as taking care of yourself so you can better take care of others. Keep safe and always take care. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video. If you like the contents of the video, please like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.